How to turn off sounds on Monopoly Go. Are the sounds bothering you while playing Monopoly Go, or do you prefer to play in silence? I personally like to play games with music in the background, so I turn off the in-game sounds. Today, we have prepared a tutorial on how to turn off sounds in the Monopoly Go app. Let's go step by step. Open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Then press the three lines in the upper right corner. Next, open the Settings field. Here, among other settings, you will find the sound settings. At the top, you will see sound and music icons. You can turn off just the music or just the sound by clicking the toggle button next to the icon. I will now turn off both. That's it. Now you can return to your favorite game. If you liked the tutorial, check out others on the channel. Support our work by subscribing to the channel.